Today in Excel, I'm going to show you quick analysis, and we're going to use quick analysis to create two charts. The first one is going to be a simple column chart, but the second chart using quick analysis is going to be a combination chart. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm Chris Menard. I've clicked over in column B. I'm going to select my data. When you select all your data, notice in the bottom right corner you have an icon that is the quick analysis icon. You can also, if you want to, click in your data and do Control and the letter Q. It not only selects your data, it pulls up quick analysis. So I'm going to do that one more time. I clicked once, Control Q. I have these options running across the top. Formatting is first. There's data bars. I'm not worried about data bars because I'm worried about charts in this video, so I'm going to go to charts. There is the default chart in Excel. I'm just going to point to it, mouse over it. I'm not clicking. Pie chart, bar chart, and there it says more. I'm going to go back to the default chart, click it once, and so I just quickly created a chart by just selecting my data and using quick analysis. Now, that chart's perfect. I'm going to click over in this second range and I'm going to make another chart. I want to point out column E has the number of cars sold or vehicles sold. Column F has the amount of revenue. I can't create a column chart, the same column chart I did for column A and B, and I'll tell you why. I've been using Excel a long time. If you notice, I'm trying to compare 500 units in E2. I'm going to round this up to 17. I'm going to round that 18 million. And then 485 compared to 19 million. Those numbers are too far apart. So here's what will happen. Let's go ahead and just show you what will happen. Control Q. Charts. If you notice in my legend, it says revenue, and I see the revenue, but it can't also, the amount sold, 485, 500, it's here, you just can't see it because we start at 5 million. So that's the issue here. So I'm going to delete this chart. So here's the chart you need whenever you have numbers that are really far apart. I'm going to go with the mouse this time. I'm going to select it. Quick analysis, charts, more. The chart you need whenever your numbers are far apart, you're going to go to all charts and you're going to do what's called a combo chart at the bottom. When I select combo chart, there's the first one it's given me. I'm going to move over to the second one and click. So there's the first one. That one's no good. That is what I want. I have two axes. I have an axis on the left, and then I have an axis over here on the right. I'm going to select OK, and that is the chart that I needed. Far left, first axis, second axis. In blue is sold. Let's make sure it's right. Toyota is 500, and the revenue for Toyota, if I mouse there, 17,500,000. So now I showed you how to use quick analysis for your data to quickly create charts, so we didn't even have to go to insert chart to do this. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I appreciate your time. Have a wonderful day.